So what I'm doing is using my big comb to get a wide section off the top, and I'm going to start from the back. Actually, I know a lot of people start from the front, but I'm going to start from the back. I want to just clip these sides down so they don't get in my way. And this is my back section. I'm just parting it kind of, naturally. And I'm going to brush it with my Mason and Pearson. And that's the 1.5 ceramic. Okay, that's the barrel. And I'm just winding it and including the ends on it. So after that, I tuck it and roll it all the way down to the base. And I'm going to clip it with the duckbill clips that I just got off of Amazon, actually. They're shorter than the long duckbill clips. And this is my middle section. So again, just winding it with the 1.5 ceramic barrel all the way, clipping the ends, everything. And I'm taking it out now, just sort of twisting as I release. And I'm going to roll that up into a curl that I clip at the base. So far so good. The bangs are always different. My bangs are really shorter than normal, and I'm going to make sure that I'm just curling the bangs. So I'm going to brush that and figure out which pieces are short and curl those back. And I shake it a little bit, the 1.5 barrel, because it's just going to keep the hair in one place like that. And I got the curl pretty quick and held it down with the duckbill clip. Now, what I'm doing on the side is curling it forward, but not a lot, just a little bit. And that's so that everything kind of blends for a more fun look. And I like doing it forward because all my top curls went back, and it kind of adds a little motion. And when I curl the hair forward, it's always fuller around my face and that, and I like that. So I'm only doing the sides, not the back. I think I'm going to do the back in another video. And this isn't the underneath part either. It's just the midway there. See? This one got a little messy. And I was just like, oh, forget it. And that's nice. Just a little more done looking. And now I'm going to take them out. Whee! The taking reveal. Look at how full in the back that looks. I love it. And it just blends with the hair going forward. And I've got all kinds of restless waves. I like it. The bangs are boingy, but they'll relax. And that's the overall look.